Hello everyone, welcome to Learn English with Priyanka Chaudhary, where I help you learn and improve your English skills. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about one of the most important aspects of learning a language. This is consistency. I have seen many people having this feeling that I can read, write and understand English, but still I am struggling with speaking this language. You know why they all are facing this problem, why you are facing this issue? This is only because consistency. Consistency is a key to master English or any language for that matter. Consistency is the only solution that can actually take you closer to your goal of speaking English fluently. Consistency is required in all the fields wherever you want to be successful. If you want to become a popular dancer, renowned singer, or a famous cricketer, consistency is necessary in all these fields. Just think about any famous dancer, cricketer, or singer. Do you think that these people have acquired success without being consistent in their life? Obviously not. All the famous people who are famous today, it is just because of being consistent. They were practicing consistently throughout their journey of becoming success. Sachin Tendulkar, he used to practice playing cricket consistently, and this is the reason one day he became renowned cricketer. This is how Arijit Singh, he is a famous singer. Do you think that he, after becoming famous, does not sing at all? He sings only at the concerts and events? Obviously not. Even now, he would be practicing singing on the regular basis. He has made it his habit. It has become his part of routine, singing. Similarly, we have to practice speaking English on the regular basis. We have to become consistent speaking English. And this is the reason that we are struggling even now, even after being familiar with a lot of English grammar topics, even after knowing a lot of things in English, you are still struggling because of being inconsistent. Now, I have talked a lot about consistency, being consistent. Now, let's understand first that what is consistency and how you can make it work for you. You are going to learn all of these things in this video, and for that you need to stay with me till the end. First, let's understand what is consistency in the context of learning English. Consistency is regular, steady progress. It is all about setting aside time, particular time, for practicing your English skills. Just like you cannot leave a single day without brushing your teeth, and there are some other things as well that you do on the regular basis. For instance, you take your breakfast on time, or you go to your work on time. So there you are being consistent. You are specifically doing some tasks at a particular time. This is what you need to do in case of learning English and improving your spoken English skills as well. Now, why is consistency important? It is significant to improve your confidence level, to become comfortable speaking English. And when you do certain thing, when you perform any task on the regular basis and you become consistent, then what happens? It actually reinforces what you have learned. And by doing this, you can actually solidify your grammar, your pronunciation, and other major aspects of learning English language. Now the next question arises that what can make us consistent for learning English? How can we become a consistent English learner, or how can we practice speaking English consistently? Here are some tips for staying consistent. Number 1, set realistic goals. It's better to practice speaking English for 15 to 20 minutes rather than watching videos for hours and hours. Watching videos, English content is not going to help you becoming fluent at speaking English. For that, you need to specifically decide a timing that this much time, for this much long time period, I'm going to speak English and I'm going to practice speaking. on the regular basis. The second thing is create a routine. Try to build this habit of speaking in your daily routine, that I'm going to practice speaking English on the regular basis at this particular timing, whether it is evening or after coming back home after your work, or maybe early in the morning, wherever you feel, whenever you feel like speaking or you feel comfortable, set a specific time where you are ready to practice speaking English. So this is the second tip. And the third tip is gonna be use variety of resources. What does it mean? That do not just rely practicing speaking English on the basis of having like conversation with any English speaking partner. That do not think that I will be practicing to speak English only when I will have English speaking partner with me. Try and practice speaking English in different ways. Like if you are able to find English speaking partner, that's awesome. You can practice speaking there for 10 minutes, 15 minutes or longer than that. And if you have no partner around you, then what you can do in that case is you can start talking to yourself. You can practice self-talk, mirror talk. You can start talking on any topic random. You can choose a random topic and start speaking on that topic for 10 to 15 minutes. So try using different resources, all right? Or you can try another way as well, that you can get a list of questions before you and then start answering these questions for 10 to 15 minutes, and try doing this on the regular basis. Be consistent, that one day you have conversation, let's say with someone, another day let's say you did not find anyone to practice with, so then you try to practice speaking standing in front of mirror, or the next day you prefer answering some selected questions. So try to speak in different ways. Next step is track your progress. And how can you track your speaking progress? When you are going to keep the recording of yourself. Okay, so by looking at your recording, you will realize and you can analyze that how are you actually improving in terms of speaking English. So by looking at your progress report, you actually feel motivated and encouraged, and you feel like continuing this process of speaking English. So it is important to track your progress. So I have just shared with you 4 tips for staying consistent. First is set a realistic goal. Second is create a routine. Third one is use variety of resources to practice speaking English. And the fourth one is track your progress. So following all these 4 tips will help you stay consistent while improving your English communication skills. Remember one thing, that consistency is a long time process. You are not going to get the result just after 2 or 3 days. You need to keep patience. And there are chances when you feel discouraged, or you might feel like giving up. You might feel like I am not getting instant result. I cannot see instant improvement in my spoken English skills. So in that case, you need to keep patience and be consistent. All right, keep practicing. You will be facing the improvement in your spoken English after a certain point of time. For that, you need to be consistently practicing speaking English. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found today's video helpful, worth watching, engaging, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share this with your friends. Hit the notification bell for getting more English learning content in future. I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.